Hey, what's going on everybody, Shivam here, and in this video, I'll give you my unboxing and review of the Honor Band 4 Running Edition, and you can also watch this video in Hindi from the top right corner in the info card. So this is the Honor Band 4 Running Edition. You can also call this Budget Honor Band 4. But before we talk more about this, let's unbox this and see what we will be getting inside the box if you buy one up. So here's the standard Amazon packet, and if I quickly do my signature move, we get the retail packaging of the Honor Band itself. Here we can see it says Honor Band 4 Running. And below that we have an image of the Honor Band 4 Running Edition. This is the green color that I have right here, and you can also get this in red, blue, etc. from the links down below in the description. Now below this it says Running Foam Guide, 2 wearing modes, 5 ATM water resistant and long battery life. On the next side it says MRP of the device, which is 2000 rupees, and as we proceed further we can also see some more features about this device, which is a stylish and colorful wristband, professional running foam monitor, 2 wearing modes, 50-meter water resistant, and over 20 smart functions available. Here it also demonstrates 2 modes of wearing, which is either you can put it on your wrist and second is you can put it on your shoes. So that's all the readings of the box, and now let's quickly unbox this. 1 second. So here we have the Honor Band 4 Running Edition, which we can admire the whole video, but other than that we get the charging dock to charge the tracker and one shoe mount to mount this on your shoe. And the last thing, we get the user manuals. So those were all the contents of the box, and now let's quickly set it up so we can get to the review of this device. First of all, you need to download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then select the Add button from the top right corner and choose the Smart Band and allow the app to update the list. Then select the Honor Band 4 Running Edition from the list and select Pair. Now the app will ask you for location and Bluetooth access, and after that you need to turn on the Honor Band 4 with the including dock, and then it will appear on the app to pair. Select your band from the pair list and tap on the Honor Band to confirm. Now the device is successfully paired, and the last thing you need to do is update the band, which is again very simple. Just tap on the update button and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to update the Honor Band 4 to the latest firmware. And after updating the firmware, enable notifications, and that's it. Now your device is successfully set up and you can start using the Honor Band 4. So let's begin this review by talking about the design of this device. So Honor recently launched their Honor Band 4, and we also did a review of this device, which you can find in the top right corner in the info card. And it is a great fitness tracking band with all the typical health tracking band functionalities like tracking steps, heart rate monitor, sleep measurement, etc. But Honor also launched their Honor Band 4 Running Edition, which is more oriented toward running, and also they cut some features like heart rate monitor, AMOLED display, etc. to reduce some cost. You can also call this Budget Honor Band 4. Now as far as the design goes, the band looks just like any other traditional health tracking band. We get a very small 0.5-inch black and white OLED display for all the info and a feather touch button below that to control the device. The Honor Band shows time, date and battery life as the default watch face, and we can get multiple pages to show some details like steps, distance traveled, calories burned, sleep time and find the phone. We also get another page for more where we can restart the device or turn it off. Now there is not a lot of things going on in the band like there was in the Honor Band 4, where we can do a lot of things like changing watch faces, tweaking settings like that. Honor Band 4 Running Edition is more of a simplified version of that. Also, this is very running oriented tracking band which can measure your running behavior and train you for that. The band can track your landing, ground contact time, steps per minute, impact, etc. And it can train you for correcting your running posture, which can result in less energy loss and fewer chances of injury while running. Now all these reports can be seen from the Huawei Health app, where additionally we get more settings to play with like alarm, do not disturb, notifications, raise to wake, etc. And you can tweak the settings according to your needs, and you can also allow app notifications such as Facebook, WhatsApp, call alerts, etc. But the band will only show you notification icon, not the message itself. Now all the band functionality is powered by this small 77 milliamp hour battery, but don't get to only the specs of this battery. When you put this to the real test, you can get up to 21 days of battery life, which is fantastic. Now other than all the features of this band, if you talk about the build quality of this device, then it is also a very well built device. The device feels very rugged and solid, and it can last quite a long time. And even if you get some wear and tear on the band, then you can also change the strap whenever you want. Also, the band is waterproof up to 50 meters, which means you can also go swimming with this without any worries. Now for the pricing, the Honor Band 4 Running Edition is priced at 1,600 rupees or $30 on Amazon.com, and you can also check out the current price from the links down below in the description. Now this device is priced relatively low than the Honor Band 4 Standard Edition, which was 2,600 rupees. Now if you want a fitness tracking band which can measure your steps and tells you time, or you want to train yourself for running, then the Honor Band 4 Running Edition might be for you. But if you don't intend to train yourself for running and you want more features like heart rate monitor, AMOLED screen, etc., then you should go with the Honor Band 4 Standard Edition. Now links to both of these devices are down below, and you can also check out my review of the Honor Band 4 Standard Edition from the top right corner in the info card. And that wraps up my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.